Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. A bit of a bloated stomach. Today I'm just gonna take it slow. Let me share. Or to lose weight. Let the drinking begin. Look at that.
I need life to come back to me.
Hey people, welcome to my channel. My name is Abby. For this morning, this is actually the start of my day, and what I want to do for the next 7 days is to drink a gallon of water. On a normal day, this is my drinking container, and I would always try to finish the content in this, but for the next 7 days I'll be drinking 2.5 of this, and I'm gonna take you guys along to see if there are any changes, if there are any difference, and to give you my sincere recommendations and what you should do along with it. So see you in the next few hours and my updates on what I'm doing. I've already drank from this morning already, but then I am feeling thirsty right now, so I'm just gonna go in.
I get thirsty easily, I guess. I live in the Philippines. Weather here is a bit dry. I think achieving this challenge might be a bit easy for me, but let's see how it goes.
Guys, I'm back again. It's almost 11 a.m. here, and
I am almost done with the first round of the content in this container, and I'm just making breakfast. I am actually making noodles with 2 eggs for my breakfast, and I'm gonna fill this up. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna fill it up and then go for the second. So this is done.
And I know you would say I gave up way too soon.
filled my water container at around 10:30, and this is like 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and look at that. This is my second refilling. The next one would be halfway through this container, and that would make it a gallon for the day. So you guys to see where I'm at right now. This is the second day. It's around 7 a.m. here, and I am starting with another full bottle. I was able to complete the 1 gallon yesterday, but then I woke up this morning and I realized that I have a bit of a bloated stomach compared to like my normal wake up stomach. So that's one change that I've noticed here, and let the drinking begin for today. That I was already done with a bottle like around 10 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock right now, and I'm still on my first round of content, and today I just feel sluggish and slow, and I don't want to overdo this, but I'm gonna see if I can still finish the 1 gallon that I'm supposed to do for today. This is my second refill for the day, and I'm actually about to start some schoolwork right now, but like I still feel like my energy is low, so I'm currently making coffee so that I can see if that would boost me up a little bit and I can get some work done.
I need life to come back to me.
You would say I gave up way
I am still on my second bottle. That sounds weird. And it's 6:35 p.m. here. Oh,
And I feel so full. Like, I think I've only just had 1 meal today, and that's about it. This water is just taking over my life.
like it's the third day of my 1 gallon water challenge, and if you're still watching this vlog, make sure you click like and subscribe. That would really help my channel to grow. Today I had difficulty with
Consuming that amount of water. I slept around 2 a.m. and that was when I finished the last drop of the water in the container. And today, almost 12 o'clock here right now, and I still feel hydrated from the 2 gallons of water that I've had so far in the challenge.
love is like
this is the second bottle for the day, and in few minutes I should be done with this, and I'll be moving on to the remaining part, and that would give me a gallon for the day. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Good morning, guys. This is day 4 of my 1 gallon water challenge. I am so pumped up today. I feel so energized. I think it's because of the music or the dancing that I did earlier on. So I'm gonna go ahead with my daily chores, and I'll get back to you guys on how my day is going. Hey guys, Still on the second bottle for the day. Good morning. This is day 5 of my 1 gallon water challenge, and it's around 11 a.m. here, but I'm still in bed. But something magical happened yesterday. I actually drank.
but they were bad.
I was able to do like half of what I'm supposed to do for today, and today I'm just gonna take it slow and complete the 1.5 bottle, and that would be the end of the challenge for the day. I don't feel any bloating. I'm okay, and I can attribute that to like the physical activities that I did yesterday. Like I did some dancing and some cleaning and just moved around the apartment, so that really helped a lot with the digestion of the water. But also I can say that I went to the bathroom like 15 times yesterday. It was a lazy day in general. I was able to do some stuff around the house, and I'm currently on my last content. Once I'm done with this, then I am done for day 5, and I just have 2 more days to go. I think after this challenge, I definitely do not want to drink a gallon of water every day, but probably like half a gallon of water would be fine for me. I think that's the right amount. Today is day 6 of my 1 gallon water challenge. It's afternoon here, and I already finished my first round of water. So I'm actually heading out right now, and I'm not taking my container with me, but then I will try to come back home as fast as possible to continue the challenge. I'm also waiting for my friend, as she's not here.
What is that in your head?
My food! I just got back from the mall, and I'm starting my second round of water here. I did a lot of walking though, like underneath the sun, because there is no transportation right now during the coronavirus lockdown, so I had to walk back and forth. Not sweating so much. Hey guys, today is the final day for the 1 gallon water challenge, and this has been my experiences so far. The most obvious one was that I was always running to the bathroom to pee, but because I'm under self-isolation here because of the coronavirus, that was a bit easy because my bathroom is not just far off. The second would be that I kept running out of water. There's a large keg in my kitchen there, but then because of the 1 gallon water challenge, I would need to go out to refill that. One of the benefits that I noticed during this challenge, I did not check my weight, so I'm not looking to gain or to lose weight. But one thing that really stood out for me was that on the 4th day of this challenge, I noticed that my skin started coming back to life. Like I had like this huge blemish here. Like here was like a dark spot, but then like it's gradually disappearing. So I think in regards to like for skincare routines and all of that, it's a really beneficial exercise to take on. So that has been my experience so far. I think I want to do this challenge again, but this has kind of like encouraged me to like up the amount of water that I'll be drinking.